Hello everyone, happy Saturday. Today I'm going to show you this eye look using these three colors, Philly, Bayou, and Chai, which is a great color to just do a wash of color before you start any eye makeup. You can also use Cupcake. So anyway, I'm going to do this real quickly and then put the rest of my makeup on. Hope everyone is having a great Saturday. It's another scorcher here where I live. So today's temperature is supposed to be like 109. So I will be inside in the air conditioning and then maybe I'll go swimming, but lately our swimming pool has been too cool, kind of weird. But anyway, then I'm just gonna take this color and oops, sorry, weren't even on camera for that. Gonna line a little bit, and then I'm gonna do liner with the dark brown, but I thought I would do a little wing, just a little pop of color, just to brighten my eye look, just for fun. I don't really have much going on today. You can do this application with a brush like that, or you can put it on your finger and then just tap it in, and then of course you blend it. It depends on how the intensity of the color. You can also add setting spray, and so you can see I have it darker than this one because I swirled my brush and made it lighter because that's a little too intense for me, but you get the idea anyway. But when you're using your eyeshadows, it's great to have this tile cleaning tool because you can take your brush and you just swirl it around on the tile cleaning tool and the color is off of there. And then when you go back in, just soften all of that and make it the intensity that you want. So I'm just gonna try to make it more like this eye, which I kind of swirled a bit more of the chai in there to make it a little browner. So hope everybody survived the 4th, and oh my gosh, we had so many fireworks going on. It was really, really intense at like 2 in the morning and waking us up and whatever. But anyway, I guess there's other things to be concerned about than fireworks, but I don't like it when they shoot them off well after midnight, and then there's the fire danger. And I live near a river, and there's been lots of fires with the dry grass, and so my house is not in danger of that unless it was somebody who was going to shoot off a bottle rocket, which I know people that have had that happen. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of Philly liner right here. Kind of darken up my lash line. And I think I need to go back in with the chai, which is the light tan brown color, and catch my under eye and a little bit to kind of diffuse that bluish green. It's pretty intense. But all right, so that's the eye look. And then I'm gonna of course do my makeup. I already have on my skincare and which is Primavera, and then I put on my sunscreen. And so I'm just gonna do a little wash of Bella bronzer. Gonna warm up my skin. And then I'll go in with my color that hides my redness. A little bit of redness on my nose. This should take, like 5 minutes to do your makeup. I just want a little bit of coverage. I don't want to completely look like I'm wearing a bunch of foundation, but I just tap on where I have redness, and I'll get those dark circles in a minute. And then my main shade, I'm just doing a little bit. I'm not gonna do really heavy coverage today because I don't even think I'm going anywhere, but because it's so hot, I just don't want to. So I'm just gonna make this so it looks nice. I feel put together even though I'm not going anywhere. Blend it down your neck so that it looks blended. It looks like your skin. It shouldn't feel sticky. And of course, if you self-tan, which I haven't, I've just been lazy, you might have to do a different shade, just shade up to a little bit darker color, but I'm lazy. I didn't do that this year. So, and then I'm going to take a little bit of contour, just a little bit. Not a lot. Like I said, I'm probably not going anywhere, so I don't need to pack on the makeup, but I do like to do contour. I have not contoured my nose, so that's a whole other step, so I think I might skip that today. And then let's do these circles. So there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can use Demi, which is this color. It's Demi product. It's color cancellation. So if I use this color, I just put it just a very light touch, and you just put it where you want to cancel out the redness. Just like that. You could also use Frenchie, which is a lip and cheek color, but it has dual purpose and people use it for that. You can always use a highlight color called Palace, which is a pink color, and it just brightens the skin under your eye. And so I can cancel out that color with the color I used for my redness. I'm just gonna, it's more my glasses when I read, because I'm 62, I have to have readers, and can color out that too. It just like makes a dark spot there, so I don't worry about it too much, but you can, anywhere you have redness, you can use a darker shade. I'm using Mango to kind of cancel that out, like that. Better. All right, and then, oh, let's see, where's this brush? Okay, this one, I like to use this brush to kind of highlight the center of my face. Down my nose, here, side of my nose. I don't want to put too much product there because I have a lot of wrinkles, and so just a little bit of highlight here and there. That's fine. And then looks like I might need little more bronzy look. When you just want a sheer look to your makeup, you can use just a Bella bronzer and a lip and cheek and sunscreen, and you're good to go. Also, I have my retainer in just because I'm whitening my teeth, kind of getting all the things done that I like to do. All right, so lots of lip and cheek colors to choose from. I think with this look, I'm just gonna do the other end of the bronzer, which is my blush brush. I'm just gonna do this color. It's called Madrid, and it's kind of a pinky peach color. I've done this before a couple times. It's a good one. And of course, you know, all these are lip and cheeks. Oh, my air conditioner just went on, and I believe it's like a little after 10:30. It's supposed to be 109. Maybe I want to diffuse this a little bit more. And then if you want something to make your, oops, I don't know where the brush is. So I can grab this other brush. I like using this brush, and I have this illuminator highlight. It's called Photoshop. It's really pretty. And just highlight anywhere that you want a little bit of light into your nose. And then you can still see a little bit of, I guess maybe I should do a little bit of contour. Not so great at it, but a little bit of contour on my fingers, warm it up, and then just go straight down the sides of my nose. And then you can go right here, a little bit underneath. And then of course, you need to blend all of that out. And you can use this brush. This is the brush that I use for the contour that goes here, and then you can soften things with this brush, or you can soften it with the damp sponge, which I'm gonna do. Okay, so already dampened my sponge. It's been sitting here the whole time. Semi-dried my hair. Little Seint setting spray. And then you just go in and tap off the excess. You don't want any harsh lines. You want everything to be blended and smooth. Alright, so, you know, if it feels sticky, or if you, feel like you have to add more, always drop something. Okay, that was just the lid, so luckily it wasn't my palette like a few weeks ago. What was I gonna say, if you want a little bit more color, you can add that in. Use your brush and just add a little bit more color. Sometimes I think I need a little bit more. And then just blend everything together. Okay, so there's Bayou on the eyes. wash a color just for fun. Why not? I hope you have a fabulous Saturday and stay cool, my friends.